Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are perfect day. We're gonna react for V and his newest comeback songs Love Me Again, Rainy Days and Slow Dancing. And we're gonna react for this songs performance videos guys from Never and Pop. But firstly, we're gonna react for Love Me Again. Let's go guys. I think this is my favorite. This is my favorite song of the album. So okay, I'm such an excited. You guys turn up the volume for perfect audio because I'm a little bit copyright muted for copywriting. Are you kidding? What is this? Look, Mr. Taehyung. Are you kidding? What was that? Look at this. Are you kidding? This man is supposed to be kidding. I cannot really believe that. Mm-hmm. Let me know. How to watch it. How do I get all to know it? I'm a super let me again. Nobody else. Again. I wish you would love me again. I wish you could love me again. Again. Like, a lot of people don't know the slow song and don't like the slow songs. This is kind of ballad song, guys, and like nobody is loving for this song title, but like so I think a lot of people don't like V's newest comeback, newest album because album is full of ballad songs, full of slow songs. But like V is really so hardworking for this, but nobody's get it. I don't know. Oh my god. When you look like this and then he knows he's really handsome, but and he's using it. He's using it from everywhere. Like I cannot do this, guys. Again. I wish you would love me again. I don't know want nobody else. Love me again, again. You would love me again. Nobody else. I wish you could love me again, again. That was awesome. That was awesome, guys. And we're continuing with title song. Let's go. I started with my favorite song of album, and that this is title song. Oh, the scenes is really so good, and like MVs are really perfect. Look at this. Look at this, guys. It is masterpiece. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, not you, Mr. Taehyung. Oh my god. Could please slow dancing. Oh my god. Their all song is really lovely. And that's I wanna tell something about this. It's the only thing. They're all lovely. Oh my god. Ah, Taehyung. Are you kidding? Maybe we could slow dancing the moment could be romancing. Oh god. Oh god, he's coming. He's coming. Wow. He's really sexy. I think Taehyung is showing us a friendship in this song. Oh my god, that was lovely. That was my first time watching slow dancing performance. It was lovely. Okay, rainy days, guys. Rainy days, I think about you, rare to say. On the way, come back to you. Rainy days like thinking about you. Going back to you. Rainy days like. He's oh my incredible man I have ever seen. Think about you, I'm not you. Right back to you. Rainy days like thinking about you. On the way, right back to you. Rainy days like. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, guys, I'm like standing there because of my uh, technical problems. That was all lovely. I'm watching Rainy Days later this video. I hope you had a great time with me. That was all lovely. Their performances are really lit. I really love these guys. I hope you had a great time with me. I hope you enjoyed with me. If you like this, you can subscribe me, guys. If you wanna see a lot of Taehyung videos, you can ring the bell for notifications. Love you. See you next time.